Welcome to Thridify's official channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Hotspots to showcase your products in the most engaging and interactive way possible. Imagine turning your static 3D models into dynamic experiences that captivate your customers and highlight every feature seamlessly. Let's dive in and see how you can elevate your product presentation. First, log into the Thridify admin panel at admin.thridify.com with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which serves as your control center for managing your store. From the product list, select the product that you want to add the hotspot on and click the gear with plus icon to configure the product. Now, you are in the configuration screen of the product. Let's start by adding your first hotspot. Click on the Hotspot tool in the admin panel. Click anywhere on your 3D model to place the hotspot. For example, let's add one here on the window. Once placed, give your hotspot a meaningful title like Open. Scroll down, select an animation for the hotspot and click Save. Finally, click Save Hotspots to confirm your changes. Do you want to highlight more features? Adding multiple hotspots is just as easy. Repeat the same steps. Click to place the hotspot, give it a title, select an animation and save. Once you have added all your hotspots, you can click on each one to preview the animation. When everything looks perfect, click Save Hotspots again to finalize your updates. If you need to make changes to a hotspot, click on the edit icon next to the hotspot in the admin panel. Update the title, animation or placement as needed. Save your changes and your hotspot will be updated instantly. Once everything is ready, go to the material list section and click Submit. Your model is now live with interactive hotspots, ready to impress your customers. Do you want to play an animation to play continuously? No problem. Go to the hotspot settings and enable the loop animation. Click Save and then Submit. Your animation will now play on a loop, adding a dynamic touch to your model. If a hotspot is no longer needed, here's how you can remove it. Click on the delete icon next to the hotspot, confirm the deletion, click Save and then Submit. The hotspot will be removed from your model. For even more control, you can set animations to auto off. Simply go to the settings, adjust the animation options and save your changes. And that's it. Hotspots are an amazing way to make your products interactive, engaging and unforgettable. Whether you're showcasing product features or adding storytelling elements, Hotspots bring your models to life and keep your customers hooked. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your e-commerce experience with Thridify. See you in the next video.